Now suppose if I just want to copy, I will change the color text here, this color. If I just want to copy only the text size and the other effects, that is bold and italic or some underline, any other effects, I just want to copy from this text to another text. What I'll do is I do not want to copy the color and etc, all those things. So what I'll do is I'll go to properties and untick this outline and fill, and I'll copy the text properties here and paste it here. I need to untick this, both the things. Remember to untick this. If you do not untick, it will copy. It will copy all the effects. I'll press OK. Now before that, I need to change the text size. I'll change the text color and the size so that you can understand the difference. Okay, now what I want is only the text properties, that is the size and the italic and bold effect of this text to be copied on the another text, not the color. For that, what I will do is I will select this tool, Attributes Eyedropper, go to properties, untick both these things. This is ticked. This I'll untick both the things, outline and fill, and press OK. I'll just select the text, okay, and press OK. I'll copy the text properties from here and paste it here. See, it has not copied the filled effect of this text to the another text. It has just copied the size and the bold and italic effects of this particular text to this text. Okay, suppose if I give some other color to this text and fill it with outline. Okay, now I want all the text properties, that the fill color, the outline, as well as the font size and bold and italic, everything to be copied on this text. I'll go to this Attributes Eyedropper and properties. I'll select all the things, that is outline, fill, text, and press OK. Copy it from here and paste it here. See, it has copied all the effects. Okay, this is how you can copy the effects from Attributes Eyedropper. I'll delete this thing. I'll see some other things. And in Attributes Eyedropper, you can also copy the size, rotation, and position. Okay, now suppose if I draw I'm drawing an object here. So this object has some color, and fill it with outline color. You can fill it with outline color, or either you can fill it with outline color or not, it's up to you. And I'll draw another object. Okay, this is another object. Now I want the object size to be applied on this second object. So I'll go to this Attributes Eyedropper. Remember, I want only the size of this object to be applied to this object. So if you want only the size, I need to untick the other options. That is, I do not want the outline, the fill, and the text, as it is not there. So untick all these things, press OK. I'll go to transformation. I'll select only size, because I just want to copy the size properties of this object to another object. I'll press OK. I'll copy the size properties and I'll paste it here. See, now it has changed. This object size has changed to this one. So this is the size, the same size you will find it here. Okay, size, height, and width. Now along with the size, suppose if I want to copy the outline and the filling of the color, what I need to do is go to Attributes Eyedropper, and in properties I'll select outline and fill. Okay, I'll press OK, and transformation size is selected, and now I'll select this and select all the properties. From here I'll paste. Now what it has done is, along with the size, it has copied the filling and the outline color. Now let's understand again. First I will change the size here. Now I want to copy all the size as well as the fill of outline and in fill and the filling of effects of this object to another object. I'll go to Attributes Eyedropper. In properties I'll select the outline, fill, and the fill, outline, fill, and the fill here, and in transformation I'll select size and press OK, and I'll copy all these effects from these objects and I'll paste it to this object. See, the size and the color of outline color as well as the inside color, it has changed. Okay, it has copied from this object to another object. Now again suppose the rotation part. Now see, if I want to I'll rotate this object. Now I'll rotate this object to, you can rotate it from here. I'll rotate it to 45 degree. Okay, this I have rotated to 45 degree. Now I want the along with the size, fill color, and along with the size, fill color, I also want to copy the rotation of this object to another object. So again what I'll do is I'll go to Attribute Eyedropper, transformation, I'll press rotation, press OK. I'll copy the effect from here to others, to the another object. See, it has copied all the effects. Okay, now suppose this is the rotation part, this is rotated to 45 degree. I'll draw an object here. I won't fill it with any of the color, and I just want to copy the rotation part. What I'll do is I'll go to Eyedropper, properties, this is Attributes Eyedropper. In properties I'll untick all the properties, press OK. Just want to copy the rotation part. I'll also untick also the size. I'll press OK. I'll copy only the rotation part and paste it here. See, it has just rotated the object and hasn't done anything. Suppose along with the rotation I also want to, I'll first undo this. Okay, along with the rotation also the size, if I want to copy from this object to this object, I'll go to attributes, I'll tick on size as well as rotation, press OK, select the effects here, paste it here. See, along with the size it has also copied the rotation part. Okay, and along with the, suppose this is the size, rotation, and this is the position means the object where it is placed on the sheet, that is the position. And also want the position of this object to be copied on this object. What I'll do is I'll go to attribute, I'll select on position, I'll select OK, copy all the things, size, rotation and position, and paste it here. So what it has done is along with the position it has also copied the rotation and size. That has changed because it has applied the distortion part also. See it again. Okay, just remember to untick any of the effects here. This is the effects, we'll learn it after, once you complete this. So this was distortion was ticked, that's the reason it was, the size was changed, the size got changed. So you need to untick all the things before you applying effects. You need to plan and untick or tick these things. Okay, now I'll undo this thing. Okay, again we'll see. See, what I have done is in this object I have given some colors and I have rotated the object to 45 degree. I'll draw another object here and I want to copy all the effects of this particular object to another object. Let's before that we'll just see only the position part. Okay, position means the position of this object on this sheet. So this is position here. I just want to copy the positioning of this object on this to this object. So I'll copy the positioning here. I'll select only the position. I won't select any of the options here and the properties. In the transformation I'll select only the position and click OK. I'll go to the tool, that is select object attributes, select the position from here and click here. See, it has brought to that position and hasn't changed anything. Okay, I'll undo this and what I'll do is I'll copy everything from here to this, from this object to another object. I'll go to this Attributes Eyedropper, select object attributes, I'll copy the fill, outline and fill, and transformation, size and rotation, everything I've copied. Okay, press OK. You need to press OK. Okay, then only it gets selected. I will in properties, outline and fill, and then press OK. So now it is selected. transformation, size, rotation, position. Okay, I'll copy all the effects from here and paste it here. Now what it has done is it has copied all the effects including the position. So it has, what it has done is it is overlapping the other object. If I move this object, you will see the original object here. What it has done is it has copied all the effects along with the position. So it was on this position because it has copied the position of this object. Okay, so that is attributes eyedropper on properties and transformations. And I'll untick all the things first and see the other effects.